Once your surgeon or physical therapist gives you permission, begin doing strengthening exercises. For this next set of exercises, you won't lift weights to strengthen your muscles. Instead, you'll press against a wall or door frame. This type of exercise is called isometric. Only do your exercises on the schedule provided by your surgeon or physical therapist. It can delay your recovery to do strengthening, stretching, or active assisted exercises too soon. To protect your shoulder, do not do any exercise until your surgeon or physical therapist has shown you how to do it. Follow his or her instructions. Do your exercises slowly and gently. For each of these isometric exercises, your elbow will be bent, as if you were shaking hands. Keep your elbow close to your body. Stand facing a wall. Place your fist against the wall, then press forward. Don't bounce. Just use steady pressure, as if trying to push through the wall. Turn so the elbow and forearm of your healing arm are against the wall. Press your elbow and forearm against the wall, as if you were trying to lift your arm to the side. Turn so your back is against the wall. Press the elbow of your healing arm backward against the wall. Stand facing the door frame. Put your palm against the door frame with your thumb pointing up. Push against the frame as if trying to pull your arm across your stomach. Move so the back of your hand is against the door frame. Press with the back of your hand against the door frame. Faithfully doing your isometric exercises is an important step in gaining strength in your shoulder.